partial. It's really wacky. So it has shortcomings. The standard has shortcomings. It is in line with the ideal for Jenny and I. The ideal is get this house to be as passive as possible. Invest as much money as we can in the envelope to make this building very, very comfortable all year round before we start adding heat. And so for this house, that probably means we can get it to a point where we use an ERV, an energy recovery ventilator, or probably an HRV in this climate actually. It won't even be an ERV, it'll be an HRV in this climate. So we have an HRV, and then we have some kind of coil in that HRV. It may be that we can afford to take some solar hot water and put a coil in there, or we may use an electric coil there. And that's all that's used to heat the house, except for on crazy, crazy, crazy cold days we have a wood stove, although we use a wood stove for comfort often, so we'll use it a lot, but that would be the crazy cold scenario. And for insurance purposes and for bank mortgages purposes, we probably have to have electric baseboard heat. So that is going to be incorporated somehow into some of the rooms depending on how we do the heat calcs. So everybody understands what we're looking at in terms of thermal properties to do that. This house is likely to have R50 walls on average, better than R5 windows on average. Below grade, probably about R30, somewhere like 28, 29 below grade. So whatever we do, Danny, talking about boxing that in or how we do that is probably about R30. And it means that the roof structure is probably something like R70.